welcome to DC Tech Talks. Today we'll try and unbox and install two wireless scanners from Decode. DC5112, which is a 1D barcode scanner, and DC5122, which is a 2D wireless barcode scanner from Decode. So let's try and unbox the 1D barcode scanner first, DC5112. So first of all, we'll be able to find a user manual programming guide, which can be used to change the settings of the scanner. Secondly, we'll be able to find a USB cable, which can be used to charge the barcode scanner and transmit the data, both. And thirdly, this is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, which can be used, or which is rather used, to transmit the data wirelessly. And lastly, this is the wireless barcode scanner from Decode, DC5112. And we can attach the USB cable in this particular slot like this, and the other end will go into the computer, and this will charge the scanner, and this little dongle can be attached to the computer to transmit the data wirelessly. And now let's try and unbox the 2D barcode scanner from Decode, which is 5122. Here as well, we'll be able to find a programming guide. In this case, you'll be able to see, since this is a 2D barcode scanner, so it has all the QR codes for this setting. Secondly, this is the USB cable, which can be used to charge the barcode scanner and transmit the data as well. And this is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and this is a scanner finally, and you just have to simply push the trigger to switch on the barcode scanner. And if you have attached the dongle to your computer and it is not being able to transmit the data, so you have to simply scan the 2.4G mode barcode and then match barcode, and this will connect both the scanner and the dongle, and it will start the communication. So let's try and test both the scanners one by one. So this particular light will tell you that this scanner is switched on, and we can start the scanner testing now. And now let's test the 1D barcode scanner, which is DC5112. And you'll be able to see that 1D barcode scanner throws LED light when it is switched on. And we have attached the USB dongle which comes along with the scanner to the computer. And again, for some reason, if your scanner and the dongle are not being able to communicate with each other, you simply have to open the programming manual, and you have to scan the 2.4G mode barcode and then the match barcode, and this will link both the scanner and the dongle, and you will be able to use your scanner effectively. And let's start scanning now. So this was the demonstration of wireless scanners from Decode, DC5112 and DC5122. Thank you so much for watching the video.